Hi children, welcome to my class again, and today we are discussing the second question of 12.1. We have discussed the 12.1 first question. Today we will discuss the second question from the 12.1. Okay, let me read the question first. The triangular side walls of a flyover has been used for advertisement. The sides of walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? This is our question. Let me clear. The triangular side walls of a flyover. There is a wall which is side wall of a flyover. And what is the shape of that wall? It's a triangular shape. It is given in the question. So it is triangle, and it is used for advertisement. That wall is used for advertisement. Okay. Then next sentence, we can see the measures of the sides of that walls. 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. Sides are different, so we can understand it is scalene triangle. Okay, then the advertisement yield an earning of 5,000 per meter square per year. Per year for per meter, the advertisement yield rupees 5,000 rupees. Did you understand? Per meter square, for every 1 meter square area, advertisement yield rupees 5,000. A company hired one of its walls. There will be many walls, and one company had only one wall for its advertisement for 3 months. This company hired this wall for only 3 months. And if that company hired this wall for 3 months, how much rent did it pay? So what will be the rent to be paid by the company? Did you understand? Okay, so we should find that one. How can we find? Here it is given clearly that for 1 meter square means it will be area. For 1 meter square area, advertisement yield 5,000 rupees. That means we have to find the area of the wall. Area of the wall. We have to find the area of the wall. Per meter square it yields 5,000. Then how much will be for the total area? And for this one for per 1 year. But we need only for 3 months. Did you understand? So we have to convert this in 3 months. We should understand how much amount will it pay for 3 months for 1 meter square. If we get the amount to be paid for 3 months for 1 meter square, then how can we find the rent for the total area of the walls for 3 months? Did you understand? First we have to find the area, then rent to be paid for 3 months, and per area amount to be paid for 3 months per area. After that we should find how much amount to be paid for this total area for 3 months. Did you understand? Any doubt? Okay. As it is scalene triangle, we have to use the Heron's formula to find the area. Here Heron's formula, we know what is Heron's formula? Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is the semi-perimeter and ABC are the sides. Okay, we know this all, and whatever the hint given in this question, that we will be taking on first one. May I have this one? Okay. Okay, right. A equals 122 meter, B equals 22 meter, and C equals 120 meter. Okay, then what is S? S equals A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2, that is 264 upon 2, that is 132 meter. We got yes, semi-paid meter. Then what is the equation? That is area of triangle equals root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So we can substitute the values to this equation. Okay. Root of 132 into 132 minus 122 into 132 minus 22 into 132 minus 120. Next, root of 132 into what will be the answer here? 110. No, 10 into, here it is 110 into 12. Okay, we can factorize 132 as 11 into 12 into 10 into here we can factorize 11 into 10 into 12. Okay. Next, there are 2 11s, so we can take 1 11 out. 2 12, so we can take 1 12 out, and 2 10s, so we can take 1 10 out. That is 1320 meter square. It is the area of the wall. Area of the wall we got as 1320 meter square. Okay. Next, what should we got the area of the wall. Next, what should we find? We should find how much amount to be paid for this area. Did you understand? For that, we have to find the amount to be paid for 1 month. Where of this? Okay. Okay. Rent for rent per meter square per year equal rupees 5,000. Okay, then next what should we write? Rent per meter square per month. Per month means what will be the rent for 1 meter square per month? How can we find 1 year equals 12 months? So how can we find the rent for 1 month? Okay, it is very easy. That is 5,000 divided by 12. If we know the rent for 1 month, then we can find the rent for 3 months. How can we find? That is rent per meter square for 3 months. What can we find? Yes, if it is for 1 month, to get For 3 months, we should multiply this amount with 3. That is 5000 divided by 12 into 3. Did you understand? It is the amount to be paid for 1 meter square area for 3 months. Okay. Next, our aim is rent to be paid. Rent to be paid for area 1320 meter square for 3 months. Okay, how can we find? It is the amount paid for 3 months for 1 meter square. So for 1320 meter square, how much did we pay? That means 5000 upon 12 into 3 into 1320. Okay. After this, we will get as equals it is the amount to be paid for the 1320 meter square for 3 months. What is the amount?